Welcome back to my channel, Almidi Guzman Talbot, here in Atlanta, Michigan. Today is May 7, 2025. We have a beautiful weather. We have a sunshine. It's good, and almost summer. Is not much cold. So let's go, guys. We go around in our house, around here. Okay, let's go. Guys, this is my lily. I planted this yesterday here because our plant last year is not good already, so I put a new one. It's on. See it. See, I have new flowers to plant. Really, it's grow already. Again, this is our first grow here after the winter, so that's it's grow. And these are boarding line here. Ito na lang pala yung ano namin. Hindi pala siya kasali sa property ng asawa ko dito eh. Ito pala ito sa kapitbahay namin to. Kaya yun, gawin ko na siya, mag-line kami dito ng ano para ano, tapos itong lilipat namin tong ano shed. Yung shed na yan, ilipat yan. Buti na lang siguro tong bulaklak na rose ko, kasali pa siya. So, ganito. Kailangan ng line. Lanan, tapos yung lanan namin dito, taniman ko yan ng ano, ng bulaklak. Oh, malalaking birds. Big birds, yeah. It's there, oh. Ayun, guys. Yan. See, ang ganda na. Nag-grow ng lily. Ito, beautiful, beautiful flowers. Nadami pa. Ito, yan. Ang dami pa, no? May bulaklak na kami. Yun. Sila. Kapisa lang. Buhay na sila ulit. Ilang weeks magbulaklak na to. Hindi pa talaga, guys. Hindi pa talaga nalinis. Oh. See? Kaya ang dami talaga niya. Kaya kailangan na lang magbayad para makuha to lahat. Maitapon. Yung lily. That's my lily. Grow also.